Hey guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to make your pop socket sticky again. So let's get started. So what you're going to need is your phone or phone case. In my case, it's the phone case. And you're going to need a non-sticky pop socket. As you can tell, mine is not very sticky. And you're going to need a towel too. So first you're going to turn on the warm water. And rub your pop socket like this under the water for 30 seconds. And then you're going to turn off the water and keep rubbing the pop socket like this. Leave it out for 10 minutes to dry to get sticky. After 10 minutes, you're going to take the towel and dab the pop socket. Just make sure you don't dab it too much, otherwise it will become unsticky again and you'll have to repeat the process again. Take your pop socket and put it on the case. Then you're going to hold it down for 2 minutes.
And here I am holding my hands and pushing my pop socket down. But you guys probably don't want to keep hearing me talk. So I'm going to speed up this thing and play some music in the background.
So then you're just gonna wanna pull up the pop socket like so. And this is mine. This is how it turned out. And I really like it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and bye guys. Did you guys get the Simply Nailogical reference?